Hello everyone. In this lesson we are going to learn about fractions. Firstly, we will learn what are fractions. Look at the figure given below. It is a rectangle. We consider it is a whole figure, means it is a complete figure. Now we can divide it into two equal parts by drawing a line. Here we draw a line in the middle of this figure. We get two portions, then we shade only one part of the figure. Means there are two portions of one whole figure. Then each part is known as one half. In Hindi we say आधा. इस आधे पोर्शन को हम कहते हैं 1/2. We write it as 1/2 or one portion of two portions. Now look at the figure. This is a circle. It is also a whole figure, a complete figure. Now we can divide it into two equal parts by drawing a line in the middle of this circle. Now we will again shade one part of this figure. Similarly, as we had in rectangle, we will have each part as one half of the whole, and we write it as 1/2, means one part of two parts. Now how to read fractions? अब इन fractions को किस तरीके से पढ़ते हैं? 1/2 means 1 divided by 2 is read as 1/2 or 1/2. Now similarly 3/7 is read as 3/7 or 3/7. Similarly is with 2/5 is read as 2/5 or 2/5. Same as with 7 and 9 is read as 7/9 or 7/9. Now we will learn some more facts and figures about fractions. The following figures are divided into two equal parts. Here on your screen you can see a rectangle and a circle. Then we will divide these two figures in two equal parts. Means we are dividing them into equal halves and then shade one portion. Then when a whole is divided into two equal parts, each part is known as half of the whole. Means we had red colored rectangle, then we divide into two equal parts and colored them green and blue. Then green and blue are the halves of the rectangle. Here you can see that same is this with a circle. Then half circle is known as semicircle, then the semicircle is half of the whole circle. Then one half is written as 1/2. Two halves make up a whole. This was a whole and we had two halves from this. Now each figure is divided into two parts. Let's check whether they are halves or not. Are these both parts equal or not? Then this first figure is divided equally, then the both parts are equal. But the other figure below this is not divided equally, hence the both parts are not equal. Now coming to the third figure, the parts are divided equally, hence both parts are equal. Now coming to the fourth figure, says the line dividing the figure is not in the middle, so the both parts cannot be equal. Coming to the next, the line is not in the middle, that's why both parts are not equal. Now similarly we can solve the rest questions also. Now coming to next part, which of the following figures are divided into two equal parts? You have to check this. This one is divided equally as the line passes through the middle one. Now in the triangle one figure, the line is not passing through the middle. Since it's passing somewhat through the middle, but it is not dividing the triangle into two equal portions. Similarly with a circle, as it is not passing through the center of the circle, it is not having two equal parts. Rest of the figure is dividing. As you can see on your screen, you can check whether these two parts are equal or not. Now, the following figures are divided into 3 equal parts. Then, when a whole is divided into 3 equal parts, here we are shading them into red, purple and green color respectively. Then we have each part to be known as 1/3 of the whole. Means we are considering one part of 3 parts. Then each part is known as 1/3. Now each figure is being divided into 3 parts. We are here to check that all the 3 parts are equal or not. We are testing this by simple analyzing. In the first figure, since we are seeing that all the 3 portions are not equal, hence these parts are not equal. Now in the triangle or in the rectangle below this is dividing into 3 equal parts. Now you can check in these answers that whether they are equally divided or not. If you have any confusion, you can comment. Now, which of the following figures are divided into 3 equal parts? You have to check this and later on check out your answers. Here, many of these figures are not divided into equal parts. Only 2 are being divided into 3 equal parts, which can be analyzed only. Now, the following figures are divided into 4 equal parts. We are considering a red rectangle and a circle, and then it is being divided into black, green, yellow and blue colored 4 equal parts. Then when a whole is divided into 4 equal parts, each part is known to be a 1/4, means one part of 4 parts. 1/4 is written as 1/4. 1 divided by 4. Now each figure is divided. Now we have to test whether the all parts are equal or not. Firstly, solve these and check out your answers later on. I have mentioned answer to each question in this lesson. Hope you all may be able to understand this. Now there is one more exercise. You have to test whether these figures are divided into 4 equal parts or not. Firstly, solve them by yourself and later on check your answer. Before solving, pause this video and solve yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope you may be able to understand the concept of fractions. Have a learning.